Hi everyone. Tonight I'm going to discuss about the standard that I've chosen, which is taken from SHAPE American National Standards and Grade Level Outcomes for K to 12 Physical Education. The standard is taken from this national framework whereby states and local school districts across the country use the national standards to develop or revise existing standards, frameworks, and curricula. The standards proposed for physical education are five. Number one, the physically literate individual demonstrates competency in a variety of motor skills and movement patterns. Number two, the physically literate individual applies knowledge and concepts, principles, strategies, and tactics related to movement and performance. Number three, the physically literate individual demonstrates the knowledge and skills to achieve and maintain a health-enhancing level of physical activity and fitness. Number four, the physically literate individual exhibits responsible personal and social behavior that respects self and others. And number five, the physically literate individual recognizes the value of physical activity for health, enjoyment, challenge, self-expression, and/or social interaction. Among the five, I've chosen number four, which states that the physically literate individual exhibits responsible personal and social behavior that respects self and others. The verbs within the standards are to exhibit and respect, while the noun are personal and social behavior. While breaking the standard down, I listed the following: learning personal and social behaviors, enabling the students to live in a social context, self and mutual respect, discipline and consistency. Why I picked standard 4? I picked it because I think through sport, students should learn how to live their lives in the social context, interacting with others according to the given standards and rules. The big ideas behind these standards are mainly three. Students should be capable to learn through physical education to be a responsible person within the society. Sport should teach individuals basic rules of living together. Students should be capable to learn how to respect themselves, adopting proper behaviors, and avoiding practices which could harm them. Students should acquire skills and capacities to cope with everyday life and experiences by practicing self-discipline and dedication to sport, as well as when playing by rules. The skills and capacities that students should acquire while mastering the main things within the standards are the following. Students should know something about sports ethics and should be able to critically analyze issues in the light of their life. Moreover, students should be able to explain and demonstrate strategies to enhance interpersonal skills, analyze and evaluate sport ethics and its translation into society, develop goals and apply strategies to enhance teamwork. Since the verbs in the standard are exhibit and respect, the student should understand and demonstrate adequate social behaviors and social skills acquired through sport practice to be translated into real life. And students should understand and practice self-respect as well as respect towards others in his or her everyday life. Activities and projects which I propose, if provided online, some of the activities can be proposed as follows: research on sport ethics, video lessons on rules connected to a specific discipline or sport, online quiz on sport and diet, group work on a social project. If provided in person, activities can be proposed as follows: research on sport ethics, practical activities on teamwork, social project engaging with the local primary school, group work on sport routines and workouts. In regards to assessment, different assessments will be carried out in order to verify the levels of understanding of the students. There will be entry tests in order to verify the levels of students and tailor a personalized learning path. There will be formative assessments in order to check the level of understanding of the topics. There will be students' presentation. Whenever students will submit a work, the teacher will assess their levels and some actions can be planned. And then finally, there will be a summative assessment. At the end of each unit to verify the levels achieved by the student. Thank you so much.